Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a boomerang longer on Instagram, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy app tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, swipe right or tap on your profile picture to open the story camera. Step 3. Now, look for the infinity sign at the left or bottom of your screen. Tap on it to select Boomerang mode. Step 4. Once you're in Boomerang mode, press and hold the record button to capture your video. Keep in mind that boomerangs are short looping clips, so make sure to record a smooth motion. Step 5. After recording, tap on the infinity sign at the top of the screen again. This will open up different editing options for your boomerang. Step 6. Here's the trick. Tap on the clock-like icon, which is the slow-mo option. This will slow down your boomerang, making it appear longer than usual. You can also experiment with the other effects to see what works best for your video. Step 7. Once you're happy with the result, tap on your story to share it instantly or save it to your phone. And that's it. You've successfully made your boomerang longer on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.